I hope you all are safe at home. Home, stay safe. In the previous session, we have discussed about law of incomplete dominance, law of codominance, law of independent assortment, polygenic inheritance and pleiotropy. In this online session, we will discuss about chromosomal theory of inheritance. Chromosomes and genes, sex determination in human being, birds and honey bee. Chromosomal theory of inheritance is proposed by Sutton and Boveri, and it states that chromosomes are the vehicle of heredity, that is genetic heredity. Neither Mendelian genetics nor gene linkage is perfectly accurate. Instead, chromosomes behavior involves segregation, independent assortment and occasionally linkage. They argued that the pairing and separation of a pair of chromosome would lead to separation of a pair of gene. Sutton united the knowledge of chromosomal segregation with Mendelian principles and called it as chromosomal theory of inheritance. It was also verified by T.H. Morgan and conducted his experiment on fruit fly, that is Drosophila melanogaster. Now the next topic is about chromosomes and genes. First of all, we will study about gene. Gene is a part of DNA that carry information for a particular trait or character. Genes are functional unit of heredity and are made up of DNA. Since genes are responsible for the heredity, we all have similar characters of both the parents, like color of eye, hair color, etc. In every cell of human body, there are about 20 to 30,000 of genes. How many? 20 to 30,000 genes. The term gene was first of all coined by a Danish botanist Wilhelm Johansen in the year 1909. Now we will learn about chromosome. Chromosomes are thread-like structures merged together and made up of a protein and a single molecules of DNA. Chromosomes are present inside the nucleus of both plant cell as well as animal cell. Chromosomes are passed to offspring from their parents from one generation to another generation. Each chromosome is having 2 chromatids. Human cell contain 46 or 23 pair of chromosomes. Chromosomes play an important role in cell division process and ensures that DNA molecules are copied and distributed evenly. Let us see what are the differences between genes and chromosomes. The differences are tabulated here. So let us see. Gene is located on the chromosome, but chromosomes are the packed structure of a DNA with protein. Genes are not visible under microscope, but chromosomes can be easily seen by microscope. A single gene is a locus on the chromosome, whereas a single chromosome consists of many genes. Genes are composed of either DNA or RNA, whereas chromosomes are composed of DNA, histone and RNA. Gene mutation are small but chromosomal mutation are large. Gene mutation leads to point mutation and frame shift mutations may be insertion and deletion. But chromosomal mutation leads to chromosome abnormalities such as deletion, duplication, rearrangement and inversion of genes. Now the last topic is about sex determination in human beings, birds and honeybees. First of all, we will see that how sex is determined in human being. Sex chromosome is responsible for sex determination. In case of human being, there are 23 pair of chromosomes. Out of this, 2 chromosomes are sex chromosomes. They are X and Y. In case of female, 2 X chromosomes, that is XX are present. Whereas in case of male, 1 X and 1 Y chromosomes are present, that is X and Y. During formation of gametes, either sperm or egg, there is only one set of chromosome. Sperm have either X or Y chromosome, but all eggs have X chromosome. So, if a sperm having X chromosome fuses with an egg having X chromosome, then the child will be a girl child. If sperm having Y chromosome fuses with an egg having X chromosome, then the child is boy. For your kind information, dear, fruit fly shows similar type of sex determination as in humans. These two figures indicates the sex determination in human being that clearly shows how male and female child are born. Now let us see how sex is determined in birds. In case of birds, female are heterogamete, male are homogamete. Means female produce 2 types of gamete and male produce same type of one type of gamete. But you have seen that in case of male human being, male are heterogamete and female are homogamete. But here the condition is just opposite. The 2 different sex chromosome of female bird is denoted by Z and W, whereas in male the 2 ZZ chromosomes are present. So ZZ will form male and ZW will form female after fusion of different gametes. These diagrams indicate about the heterogamety in female and homogamety in male and how the male and female birds are formed. Now we will see that how sex is determined in case of honeybees. In case of honeybees, the sex determination is based on number of sets of chromosome an individual receives. In this case, fusion of a sperm and egg develops into female. How female is developing? By fusion of a sperm and egg. And these females are called as queen or worker. And unfertilized egg develops into male called drone by the process of parthenogenesis. From this, it is clear that male have half the number of chromosome than that of female. So, female are diploid having 32 chromosomes and males are haploid having 16 chromosomes. This type of sex determination is called haplodiploid sex determination. Here, male produce a sperms by mitosis. Thus, they do not have father and sons but have a grandfather and have grandsons. Think about this. This given figure so that how females consist of 32 chromosomes whereas male consist of 16 chromosome. So this is all about today's session. Thank you and have a nice day. For any kind of doubts, please write your question in comment section.